Wednesday, May 20th, the day we've been pinning since episode 15. Google ships ANTIGRAVITY 2.0 at I.O. Day 2. KPMG signs the second Big Four deal with Anthropic, 276,000 employees. The White House executive order leaked, and it went voluntary. Meta cuts 8,000. Nvidia prints tonight. Let's begin. Google I.O. Day 2, developer keynote. Headline product ANTIGRAVITY 2.0 plus ANTIGRAVITY CLI. Google's agent development platform, second generation. What it does. ANTIGRAVITY 2.0 lets developers spin up specialized subagents to handle complex workflows. Each subagent has its own scope, its own tools, its own model, coordinated from a parent agent. This is the same multi-agent orchestration pattern Anthropic shipped 2 weeks ago, productized inside Google's developer stack. Security primitives. Cross-platform terminal sandboxing, so subagents can run shell commands without escaping the box. Credential masking, so secrets never leak into agent logs. Hardened Git policies, so agents can commit, push, and review without nuking your repo. These are the things that have held back agentic dev tooling at the enterprise level. Google just shipped them as defaults, plus new agent skills for building modern Android and web apps, plus the ANTIGRAVITY CLI, same primitives, terminal native, scriptable. 85+ sessions and code labs go on demand tomorrow at io.google. The ARC. Wednesday last week, Google retired the Chromebook brand for Aluminium OS. Monday, Google dropped 3 new Gemini models, Flash, Omni, Spark. Today, Google shipped the developer platform that builds on top of them. Platform, models, tooling, 3 days. Strategic execution. Anthropic's enterprise streak continues. KPMG and Anthropic signed a global alliance yesterday. The product, KPMG Digital Gateway powered by Claude. 276,000 KPMG employees worldwide get access to Claude, embedded directly in client delivery. Initial focus, tax clients and private equity firms. KPMG US becomes a preferred consultant for deploying Anthropic AI to PE portfolio companies. That's KPMG signing on after PwC last week. 2 of the Big Four firms are now Claude shops. Same week, Anthropic acquired Stainless. $300 million, possibly more. Stainless is the 4-year-old New York startup that has built every official Anthropic SDK since the Claude API launched. The acquisition tightens the MCP stack. The multi-tool capability protocol Anthropic introduced in November 2024. Anthropic now owns the connection layer between Claude and every external system. May 20th stack itself. 3 things landed today. First, Meta, 8,000 layoffs effective, roughly 10% of the workforce. The nuance, 7,000 of those workers are being redirected to newly created AI-focused teams, not 8,000 jobs gone. About 1,000 net departures plus a massive internal repositioning toward AI. Second, Google Health Coach launches. Gemini powered, $9.99 a month bundled with Google Health Premium. Plus the Fitbit Air screenless tracker, $99.99 shipping today. The Fitbit app becomes Google Health. Third, and the headline, the White House executive order leaked. Axios got the draft. 2 sections, cybersecurity for Pentagon, hospitals, and banks, plus a covered frontier models track. The plot twist, the framework is voluntary, not the FDA drug approval mandatory testing Hassett described 2 weeks ago. The Wiles Light-Touch faction won the internal debate. AI labs share models with the government 90 days before public release, voluntarily. The Mythos arc closes, softer than expected. Nvidia prints fiscal Q1 2027 earnings tonight after market close. Consensus, $78 billion in revenue, $1.77 EPS, $73 billion of that from data center, roughly 80% year-over-year growth on the top line. Nvidia beat consensus in 18 of the last 20 quarters. Stock fell after 3 of the last 5 prints. We'll cover the actual print and the guidance tomorrow. Carryovers. Andrej Karpathy joined Anthropic yesterday, OpenAI co-founder to the pre-training team. Musk lost the lawsuit Monday on statute of limitations, vows 9th Circuit appeal. OpenAI is preparing legal action against Apple over the failed ChatGPT integration. Bad week for OpenAI continues. Wednesday, May 20th. Google shipped ANTIGRAVITY 2.0 at I.O. KPMG signed Big Four number 2 with Anthropic. Stainless acquired for $300 million. Meta cut 8,000, redirected 7,000 to AI. Google Health Coach launched. Executive order leaked, voluntary, not mandatory. Nvidia prints tonight. See you tomorrow.